Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in 2 days ago, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website name is Dogemate. I shared with you this website after a few days, and right now I share with you the withdrawal proof. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay. Any cryptocurrency you want, you can withdraw. Okay, this website have a capture and short links. You can see in here available this much coin available every day. You can just watching short links. I didn't watch short links because I watch BTC hats and do some rolling and gaming. Okay, just I go to withdraw to share with you how this website pay me. Okay, right now I want to withdraw Litecoin. Okay, this much Litecoin I can get if I withdraw. Just I click withdraw. Okay, just I want to withdraw my to my Faucet Pay wallet orders. If you click it, the Faucet Pay instantly set. Okay, if you don't know how this will be, just set it. Just go to profile, or you can go to your wallet. Okay, in here this website link available in description too. Just come down and just paste your email address in here, Faucet Pay email address. Okay, just I go to withdraw again. Just I click Litecoin again and just change it to Faucet Pay, and you can see this much coin equal to this much, and I have this much coin. Okay, just I click withdraw. I wait few seconds. Okay, this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay. Just I come back to my Faucet Pay and reload the page and come down, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This website pay you 100% and 100% free website, and you can claim every day, and every day you can make much more cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos too. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.